Hey guys, if you want to learn how to quantize in Stylus RMX, stay tuned because that's coming up next on KenMusic. Okay guys, let's go and get Stylus RMX. Okay, so Stylus RMX. No, we're not creating any instrument track. Okay, so we're gonna be using track 1, track 2, track 3. Let's go to simply put a drum beat, a reggae beat. My Rex. I'm gonna put in a guitar. 1, 2. Do C minor. And 3. We're gonna be doing bass. Okay. Let's go for reggae. C minor. Okay, let's check the volume. Okay, so as you can hear, the guitar is not locked with the drums. It's it's behind the drum. And the bass and the swing, there's a little more swing in the bass. Okay, so now we go to time, and this is the section we want to focus on now. Okay, this is the groove lock. So what you want to do, you can choose any one of those quantize groove there, 16, 8. Okay, but then what you want to do is, if you're on 2, since we're gonna be using the groove quantization from this track 1, okay, the drums. So you want to go on to 2, and this is the drum part 1 we want to use. So we're gonna be using that quantization from this track, and right away change the groove. You want to do the very same thing. Track 1. You see, so that's it, and you could see how far. See without it. Okay. Okay, and it brings everything on the grid. Same thing here. If I take this out, see how loose it is. Okay, guys. Wonderful. So now you can go for anything you do to track 1, which is the drum, change to affect these 2 tracks. So like for instance, I can go now quantize 16th note and give it a swing. Okay, let's just put a little reverb onto the guitar. It sounds nice. Okay, cool. So now all you do is 1, 2, 3. Track 1 is the drum. Track 2, the guitar, and track 3 is the bass. In Cubase, every time you drag it, it creates another instrument track. So We don't want this tracks. I'm just gonna move that. These two tracks are shorter than the first one, so we just duplicate this, and here you go. Yep. Now don't forget guys, you might be saying, you know, you could just go up here, quantize and blah blah blah, but the thing is, when you do it in Stylus, when you do that in StylusRMX, you everything locked to one because you have all the bits on the track. And then I guess it's, for me it's faster. It's, you know, there's so much you could do with the tracks there. On my next video I'm going to show you guys how to bring in your favorite tracks, guitars or drum, whatever, into StylusRMX, where you can use it and show you the full power of StylusRMX, how you can use it to build all your tracks from 1 to 8 and free up some CPU power onto your DAW. And yes, that's it. So quantization in StylusRMX.